Today is day 8 of Run Across New Mexico to spread awareness for cancer research. And this is mile marker 278, kind of on towards the outskirts of Santa Fe. And I should be finishing up at mile marker 252. Which will be about 10 miles outside of Albuquerque.
Bernalillo.
Bernalillo. So, it's a little windy, and unfortunately it's not like yesterday. This one's going to be going against me, but I have short shorts on. So hopefully I'll get lots of honks, and that'll encourage me just to keep going. But it's Sunday and the traffic isn't as bad as yesterday, so hopefully today everything will go okay. And that's it.
Okay. Gonna start?
Yeah. I'm not as enthusiastic about that.
You can do it. Ready?
Don't forget to close the back door. Alright. Bye, Mother.
Bye,
I'll
son.
see you in a little bit.
Okay.